You're wasting 20 hours a week on admin tasks that a piece of software can do in seconds. Most founders think they need another hire to scale. They don't. They need an invisible employee. I spent months auditing my own operations. I found the bottlenecks, the repetitive data entry, the endless follow-ups. I built a pipeline using Make.com and OpenAI that handles the heavy lifting automatically. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't make mistakes. And it costs a fraction of a part-time assistant. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm showing you the exact architecture of my automation pipeline. From capturing leads to AI-driven categorization to updating your CRM and Notion workspace without you touching a single key. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to delete 20 hours of manual work from your calendar every single week. Let's be honest. You didn't start this business to become a full-time data entry clerk. But here you are, spending your Sunday nights copying lead info from a contact form into a CRM, manually updating project statuses in Notion, drafting the same 3 follow-up emails over and over again. It feels like small stuff, right? Wrong. Those small tasks are a silent tax on your growth. When you spend 20 hours a week on manual admin, you aren't just losing time. You're losing your mental bandwidth. The founder's brain is for strategy, product, and high-level sales, not for checking if a webhook failed or manually tagging a customer. Every minute you spend on these repetitive loops is a minute you aren't spending on the things that actually move the needle. This is what I call the invisible ceiling. You can't scale because you have become the bottleneck. If you double your clients tomorrow, your admin work doubles too. You don't need another expensive hire. You don't need more caffeine. You need a system that works while you sleep. You need an invisible employee. Most founders think the solution to burnout is hiring more people. They hire a VA, they hire an ops manager, but now they have a new problem managing people. I stopped hiring. Instead, I built an invisible employee. This isn't a complex custom app, it's a pipeline. Specifically, a combination of Make.com, OpenAI, and Notion. Make.com is the glue. OpenAI is the brain, Notion is the memory. Here is exactly how this system replaces 20 hours of my manual admin every single week. Step 1, the trigger. Every single lead, client request, or invoice doesn't go to my inbox anymore. It goes to Make.com. Whether it's a Typeform entry or a Gmail thread, Make catches it instantly. No more manual data entry. No more copy-pasting into a spreadsheet. Step 2, the processing. This is where the magic happens. Make sends that raw, messy data to OpenAI with a specific set of instructions. I don't just ask it to summarize. I tell it to act as a senior operations manager. It analyzes the intent, it categorizes the priority, it extracts the key deliverables. If it's a lead, OpenAI qualifies them based on my ideal client profile. If it's a support ticket, it drafts the response. It turns a 500-word rambling email into 3 bullet points and a clear action item. Step 3, the execution. Once OpenAI processes the data, Make pushes it directly into Notion. It doesn't just dump the text. It creates a new project page, assigns a due date, tags the priority level, and links it to the correct client folder. I wake up, open Notion, and my entire day is already mapped out. The invisible employee has already sorted the noise from the signal. Now you might be thinking, this looks hard to set up. It's not. You don't need to know a single line of code. You just need to map the logic. If you can describe your business process on a piece of paper, you can automate it with this stack. By removing the administrative friction, I didn't just save 20 hours, I reclaimed my mental bandwidth. I stopped being a secretary in my own business and started being the CEO again. Now here is the reality. Before this pipeline, I was drowning in manual data entry. I spent roughly 20 hours a week just moving info from emails to my CRM. Now it happens in the background while I sleep. I built this entire invisible employee, using Make.com for the logic, OpenAI for the intelligence, and Notion as the central brain. If you want to reclaim your time and stop being the bottleneck in your own business, you need these tools. I've put the direct links to Make, OpenAI and Notion in the description below. Use those links to get started today. Seriously, stop doing the work of a robot. Now, once you've set up your pipeline, you need to know how to scale it. Watch this next video on the best SaaS stack for 2026 to keep your edge.